Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Tab S10 Ultra, and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's start with the secret code. I'll show you two different ways of checking the serial number. Let's open the dialer and enter the code, which is *##06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code, we are provided with this pop-out window, and at the bottom of it, right here, we've got the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way through the settings. So we have to open them. Here in this left section, we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Tablet. Let's tap on it, and as you can see right here, we've got the serial number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.